All right, we are on the very last page of our website, which is the contact page. On this page, we have a couple of columns up at the top. There's Contact Me on the left with some contact information and an image on the right. Then if you scroll down, there's a contact form, followed by a big call to action section. At the very bottom, this section that says, "Oops, something went wrong," is actually a section where you can display a Google map. So I'm going to enable the Visual Builder, and then the first thing I'm going to do is delete the bottom two sections. I don't want to confuse people here with a call to action because the action I want them to take on this page is to send me an email or to fill out my contact form. I don't want to send them to a different page of my website. So I'll click on the trash can to delete that section, and I'll do the same for the Google Map. Save the page, and now I'll enter my content. I want this top title to say Contact Me, and then I have a small paragraph that I want to copy and paste in. So I'll paste in that paragraph directly onto my page. And then we have an option to add an address, phone, and email. Since this is a virtual business, I want people to email me. I don't want to give out my address or my phone number. So I'll hover over the address and delete it, and do the same thing for the phone number. For the email, I'm going to open the module settings and scroll down a little bit to update the email address that is displayed. Then I will click the check mark and save the page. Now I want to replace this image with an actual image of myself. So I'll go ahead and open the settings for this image module and then click Upload to upload a new image. I'm going to click on the Upload Files tab and then click Select Files. And then I'm just going to select the image from my Downloads folder and click Open. Once the file is uploaded, I'll click the Upload an Image button, and you can see that my image has changed on my site. Hit the check mark and save the page. Now we have a contact form. The title says Get in Touch, and it has several fields. I want to change the title of this contact form to Let's Chat. So I'm going to copy that and then paste and match style. Then I need to change the color of the divider. So I'll go back to my content template and grab my highlight color. Then open the divider settings, click Design, click Color, and paste in my hex value. Now we're at the contact form. I want to do a few things here. I want to remove the web address field, and then I need to tell this form which email address to send notifications to. I also want to change the text of the button to say Submit, and I want to make sure the button is in my brand color. So open the settings for this form, and next to the web address bar, I'm going to click on the trash can icon to delete that field. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I want this button to say Submit. So I'll just go ahead and edit the button text. Then I'll scroll down a little bit more and expand the email field. This is where you can tell WordPress where the notifications for this contact form should go. So when someone fills out this form, it will send an automated email letting you know that someone wants to contact you. So I'll just type in my email address here. Then I want to change the color of this button to my emerald green. Click on the Design tab, expand the button drop-down, click on the button background color, and paste in my value. And that changes the background, but now I have this weird orange border. Scroll down a little bit further, click on the button border color, and again paste in my highlight color. Hit the check mark and save the page. Now we're pretty much done with this page, but there is one additional thing I want you to do. I want you to test this contact form to make sure it's working properly. So exit the Visual Builder and then fill out this form with completely made up information. I usually just quickly type test at test.com, and then here's my message. Hit Submit. First, you want to make sure that your contact form submits correctly. You can see that this one is working. It says, "Thanks for contacting us." Then you want to check your email and make sure that you are receiving email notifications to the email address that you inputted just a few minutes ago. So this is really exciting because our website is pretty much done. There's a few little tweaks I want to make to the mobile and tablet versions of the site, and I'll explain those in the next module.